Hi there, this is Victoria from crushcrypto.com. In this video, I will be talking about Doc.io, a decentralized professional data exchange protocol. As always, we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just our personal opinion and analysis and not investment advice. The Doc.io protocol is a decentralized data exchange protocol for the professional industry. It lets people connect their profiles, reputations, ratings, and experiences across the web with privacy and security. The team wants to provide a solution for what they term data hoarding with current professional networks, which have no incentive or disincentive to share their data with the competition. To do this, they will create a data exchange that will first integrate user profiles from different platforms, including their work experience, education, location, contacts, qualifications, and so on. And second, they will incentivize data transactions and sharing while providing users complete control over their own data. Most people have a number of profiles online, many of which may not have been updated in years, resulting in inconsistent information. It is difficult for users to transfer their information across different platforms, which could result in lost opportunities. And with centralized apps, users have little to no control over what is done with their data and who it may be shared with. With Doc.io, they aim to solve all of these problems. Users will be able to synchronize all of their employment history and data in one location. Their information will be updated automatically as users update their information on other platforms. They will be able to control which data moves between different platforms with opt-ins and outs. In addition, all data will be fully encrypted and stored using the blockchain. The information can only be controlled by the user with the appropriate keys and decrypted only when willingly exchanged between parties. The Doc.io protocol is extendable beyond apps and products that exist today. Some of the sample use cases include job marketplaces, networking apps, applicant tracking systems, HR management systems, and education apps. Doc.io already has a working app in the alpha stage, which you can see in this screenshot where we tried inputting our own data. According to the team, the app is currently growing by 3,000 users every day. There is no cost for individuals to use the app. It is free to create an account, upload your network, and share your data to various applications. You can earn Doc tokens, which is the platform's native cryptocurrency, by inviting other people, following social media accounts, or promoting Doc.io on various platforms. If you are interested, you are welcome to check out their app online at app.doc.io. The project was launched last year and has already established partnerships with Remote.com, FundRequest, and Smart Recruiters. Most of the team actually worked with Remote before. All of these partnerships operate within the professional space, linking professionals directly, linking employers to potential employees, or providing a decentralized way for professionals to work together. In the first quarter of 2018, they will release the Doc.io app. In the second quarter, they will integrate with Remote.com with additional partners to join. In the remainder of the year, they will launch the Network Data Exchange, allowing platforms to trade data for Doc tokens. The team will be raising funds by issuing Doc tokens at a conversion rate of 1 token for 6.7 cents. The hard cap is $20 million for 30% of the total token supply. Assuming the hard cap is met, the maximum market cap on a fully diluted basis on the ICO date would be $67 million. There was a private pre-sale with a $200,000 minimum and a 40% bonus for pre-sale investors, but 50% of their contributions will be locked up for 4 months. The main token sale will start on February 21st, and the tokens will be distributed after the ICO. If you're interested in participating, please register on their whitelist, which opens on February 8th. This chart shows how the total supply of 1 billion Doc tokens will be distributed, and also the vesting periods for the team and advisor tokens. For the most up-to-date information on the ICO, please visit their official website and join their Telegram group. Doc tokens are going to be used primarily as a currency for data transacting in the Doc ecosystem. Token holders can also introduce new proposals and vote on the future development roadmap of the protocol. Users will still maintain control over which apps can access and update their data, and the tokens will not be used to incentivize users to share data with different apps. The apps on the platform will indirectly pay other apps to access their data. If an app pays a flat rate fee to a user for their data, and no third-party data is included, the fees, which will be in the form of DOC tokens, will be burned. Because of this, the token's value will be linked to the demand for user information. This means that there is greater incentive for apps and platforms to use the Doc.io platform for data acquisition as more users join and actively use it. There are a total of 12 people behind Doc.io at the moment. The core team has been working together on other businesses and platforms in the past. This slide summarizes the bios for the core team members. On average, they each have more than 9 years of relevant experience. They also have 4 advisors helping them with fundraising, technical aspects, strategy, and marketing. As shown here, these advisors have advised other ICO projects in the past, including Request Network, Apex, FundRequest, Self-Key, CoinFi, and Ink Protocol. Some of the opportunities we wanted to highlight. First, the platform could gain traction pretty quickly due to Doc's partnerships with FundRequest, Remote.com, and Smart Recruiters that already have many users. On their website, they claim to have over 15 million users in the Doc.io network, with more partner apps coming soon. The project is backed by a pretty strong team with previous entrepreneurial success in recruitment and outsourcing, which is relevant to what they are trying to do now. We tested out the alpha ourselves and found it was pretty easy to set up, functions well, and has a nice user interface. There is a burning mechanism for the DOC tokens, so the total token supply will decrease over time, which is good for token valuation. The project has also attracted various VC investors, including Passport Capital and Digital Asset Fund. This means that this project has already passed the scrutiny of these institutional investors. And a few concerns. The DOC protocol represents a two-sided market involving applications and users. If the protocol cannot attract users from both sides quickly, the network effect would be vastly diminished. And the key team members are working on both Doc.io and Remote.com at the same time. Although the two ventures do have their synergies, it is unclear how the team members will be allocating their time across the two ventures and whether this will have any effect on their development progress. Overall, from an investment perspective, we have a positive view on this ICO for flipping. We believe the idea, the team, development progress, the token metrics with whale protection mechanism, and market awareness are all above average. With a lot of market interest already, they should be able to hit their hard cap with unmet demand. As for long-term holding, we also have a positive view. We like the idea of users being able to take back control of their own data. This is one of the key benefits of a decentralized system over its centralized counterpart. Although the idea of the project is somewhat limited to the professional industry, we believe that the team is capable of delivering and creating a successful product. Thank you very much for watching our video on Doc.io. Please share your questions or thoughts with us in the comments below. For our latest reviews and market updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter and Facebook if you haven't already. See you next time and keep on crushing your crypto game.